In this video, I'm going to show you how to create an account on Binance in the US. Now, the first thing you need to do is you do need to go on to Binance, not the normal, just don't type in Binance, type in Binance.us. The reason there are two different Binances, Binance US versus Binance, is because Binance was actually shut down in the US in 2019 by the government, so they had to reopen it and making it more like catering towards the US audience. And when you type that in, you'll be brought to this site like here. Now, when you're on this site, you're actually going to want to go in the top right corner and click on the sign up option, unless you do have a login, which you probably don't, but you click on sign up option and you want to enter in your email and your password that you want it to be to get started. And once you've done that, you just want to check this box, making sure that you're over 18, and click on the create account option, where it'll actually bring you to this panel to make sure it is your email address, and you just want to enter in the 6-digit code from your email. I'm going to get that real quick. And once you've entered in that code, you can see you've successfully created your Binance account in the US. Now you can trade stocks, buy crypto, and just hold your money in this account. You can even stake it just up here and even swap it and just transfer it from wallet to wallet. But basically, this is how you set it up. The reason there are two different Binances, Binance US versus Binance, is because Binance was actually shut down in the US in 2019 by the government, so they had to reopen it and making it more like catering towards the US audience. So yeah, that's how you create an account, and hopefully you have some fun with Binance.